Hi, this is Laura Rogers with SharePoint 911, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip having to do with Office integration and SharePoint. Now, what I'm about to show you does not matter what version of SharePoint you're using, and it doesn't matter what version of Office you're using. This exists in all of them. So I'm going to show you how to quickly open or save a file directly from your Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to SharePoint. So the first time you do it, when you're in your SharePoint library, you're going to need to grab the URL of the library. So the URL ends before you get to the /forms. So we just want up to the end of the name of the library like this. So we're going to copy that to our clipboard, and then you can go into your Office program and do File Open and simply paste the URL to your library into the file name box and hit enter. This takes you directly to your library. Now the next thing that you can do is, now the way it works if you're on Windows 7, it's different than the way you do it in Windows XP. So the interface is different depending on operating system, but not depending on the version of Office that you have. So if I want to save this shared documents to my quick launch over here on the left side in my open box, I can right click over here on the favorites and choose add current location to favorites. And now I have my shared documents, my document library here where I can quickly get to it. Then when I want to save my file, my save as screen shows these same shortcut locations that I've added here under my favorites. Now I have a computer with a different operating system, so the way you do this is a little bit different when you're using Windows XP as your operating system. So first I, of course, grab the URL to the library that I need and copy it to the clipboard, and then when I want to get to that site, I do the same thing. I paste it in here in the file name location, but then when I want to add it to this left side, I just do it differently. I right click and choose add and the name of that library. So then in my look in pane over here, it's always going to show policy list as that SharePoint library. Thanks, and you have a good time integrating SharePoint in Office.